here's part 2 of the video for the Discovery 3. It's in the title anyway. The ignition green light that this one was originally for. I'm guessing it's a clear bulb, and then you have this little rubber sock. If you watch my other video, it just gives it the green and luminous. Well, I changed it to a bulb, and voila. It's not hard. I mean, if you could, I don't know, take a wheel off, I suppose you can do this. It really isn't difficult. Just be careful, because someone's obviously done it before and left a piece. Trying to find it, but I think it's now gone. There. Obviously someone's done it before and snapped this piece off, like left it hanging basically. And of course, as you always go to do it, falls off, but I'm pretty happy about that. Kind of worried about anything to do with the steering wheel because of the airbag and stuff, but these are for your airbags on the other side. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. Unfortunately it wobbled a little bit. Maybe I can try and get another plastic crowd to fit in there, but yep, that's it. I mean, it's very little online, which is so strange, but you don't have to solder anything. Just replace, and yeah, unfortunately mine wobbles, so yep. Please subscribe, and thank you.